It is 11 at night when Mike opens the fridge and realizes he is out of milk. He needs it for his cereal in the morning. Without it, breakfast tomorrow is not happening. Everything nearby has already closed for the night. The only place still open is the 7-Eleven a few blocks away. He puts on his shoes, grabs his keys, and heads out. The street outside is quiet and dark. The moment he steps inside the store, the bright fluorescent lights hit him. The store is warm and full of smells. Coffee, fried food, something sweet. This smell makes him hungry. He heads straight to the back for milk, but on the way, the hot food counter catches his attention. The fried chicken is still warm. It smells incredible. He thinks about it for a second, then he picks up a piece. He could use a late-night snack. On his way to the register, he passes the drinks section. Iced coffee sits on the shelf, looking appealing. He grabs one without thinking. The chip aisle is next. There is a new flavor he has never seen before. He adds the chips to his basket. At the candy shelf, Mike pauses. Dark chocolate, his weakness. He picks one up without hesitation. At the checkout, Mike finally looks down at his basket. Milk, chicken, coffee, chips, and chocolate. He came in for one thing. The woman at the register glances at his basket and smiles quietly. She doesn't say anything, but he knows she knows. He pays and walks out into the night with a large bag. The bag is heavier than he expected. He shifts it from one hand to the other as he walks. It is late and Mike is tired. He thinks about the chicken. Back in the store, under the warm lights, it smelled amazing. But now, walking home in the quiet, the idea of eating feels far away. It is almost midnight. All he wants is his bed. He decides he will take the chicken to work tomorrow instead. It will make a good lunch. Mike gets home and puts the milk straight in the fridge. He sets the rest of the bag on the kitchen counter without unpacking it. He stands there for a moment, looking at everything he bought. He only went out for milk, just one thing. He shakes his head and smiles to himself. He turns off the kitchen light. Tomorrow morning, cereal with milk. Tomorrow afternoon, fried chicken for lunch. Mike closes his eyes. It was only supposed to be milk.